This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
In the preview section, I have attempted 2 times to submit this quiz, and in the responses section I have got results regarding that. So the insights are provided. One time I have got about 60 score out of 100, and next time I have got about 80 out of 100. So by default you can see that 70 is the average points that are scored in the two responses, and the median is 60 out of 100, and the range is 60 to 80 points. Frequently missed questions, so this was the frequently missed question, and 2 times the silver option was chosen here in the first question, so it is being shown as in a gray color, and it is wrong answer. For this question we have attempted 2 times a right answer, and hence it is showing in a green color. This is a summary of all the responses that I have got, whereas you can get the results based on the questions. So for the first question, how many people have just chosen the right option, you can just go to the question section and get the analytics based on each and every question. For the first question, 2 responses were there and both of the responses were wrong. And for the next question, which is the coolest location on the earth, 2 of the responses were right, and 2 of them got 20 out of 20. And coming to the third question, which is the hottest place on earth, the first response was Ethiopia, and it was right. And the question was left blank for one of the responses. And the third section here is individual. So now, talking about the individual section, here you can have a look on the answers that have been attempted individually by each and every student. Here you can see that these were the right and the wrong answers that the first respondent has chosen. Now when you go to the second one, then here these were the right answers, the wrong answers, and also the missed questions from the second respondent. So in the individual section, you can examine how each and every respondent attempted the quiz. Now, the responses and everything is available within the Google form. If you want to store all the data in a Google Sheet and make use of it for any other purpose, so let us just link this form for a particular sheet. You have to just click the more option here, and after that select response destination. Now this is a new spreadsheet that will be created for this form. I have just created this form. So this was the procedure how you should have a look at the responses section in your quiz.